Hello, this video will cover how to get started on Quizizz. That's Quizizz, and you can search for it on your favorite browser, and it should be the first item that appears. And what you're going to do is sign up if this is your first time using it. Since I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. And I'm using a Gmail, so I'll log in with my Google. And now that I'm in, I just want to go ahead and put this message they sent out 4 days ago, earlier this week. And basically, this is a resource that you can use to add a little fun to your online teaching and engage your students. And it can be used for K through 12 or post-secondary school. So you can already join a game that's already in progress, or if you like, you can set up your own. So you're going to go to the menu bar. So all I did was select the little 3 triple disc stack parallel lines. Click on that, and then you're going to create a quiz. When you create a quiz, you're just going to go ahead and put in the name of your quiz, fun quiz. And I use this to help students prepare and study for an upcoming exam, and also give them a chance to work in teams. And click on next, and now you're ready to create a new question. Input my question. I'm going to paste it. How many tires does a bicycle have? And you can have a multiple select or single answer. I'm just going to keep it simple. And then for those of you that have a quantitative one, you can actually use different features to do math problems and so forth. And you can use that if you want to get fancy. And then you can even add media here, over here, if you have like a special video, or if you're like doing sign language or something along those lines and you wanted someone to identify what was inside of the picture. So my answer will be, I'll put down 3, 1, and 2. There is a correct answer, and make sure you select which answer is correct. And there's some other options. I'm not going to use the 4th option, so I'll delete it. And then as for the time, you can actually select different amount of time that it will take you to answer the question. I'm going to change it to 10 seconds. So you should be able to see 10 seconds. And then tag standards, that deals with standardized testing. I don't use that. And then you're going to press the save button. And now you have your first question. And if you need to edit it, you can always edit it. If you want to duplicate it and create a similar question, and I'm going to do that to show you how quick and easy it is. Now I have the second question that's identical, and I can just go into this question and change, let's see, and then I'm going to change my answer, and you'll see that it takes it off of the first answer. And then I will save. And that will conclude my quiz. I'm not going to make any more questions, but I'm going to go ahead and finish the quiz. And I can add a picture here, but I'm not going to do that. And English, and for grades, I guess I can select first grade. If it were a college level, you see you have university, or if you're using this for your work, for a fun exercise and professional development, you can select that as well. Alrighty, and then if you want to share this, this is where if you want to share a quiz, if a bunch of you are getting together and using different topics, you can always make it public, so you can share with other people, or you can keep it private. And then I will save. And then to share via email, you can share it with someone else if you want to look at it beforehand. But I'm going to go ahead and send it to myself. Share, and it's been sent. Alright, so now that you've done the first quiz, you can play it live. That would be if you were in a face-to-face. or you can assign it, and this is how you can do it online. Give a date and a time that they must finish, and then you're going to go ahead and click on host the game. And now you have a link. You can share the link, so all you got to do is click on this particular link, and it's been copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it as an announcement in an email, whatever it is. Or if you'd like, you can even take a picture of this image and share that with all those users that you plan to take the quiz. And that is it. This concludes this video, and remember, today is a great day to learn something new.